Today I want to share with you something that I am so excited about. You can see one here on my shoulder, and here's the washcloth. So I have discovered the best microfiber towels and washcloths that I have ever used, and I've tried several brands. These come from a company called Unwrapped. I'll show you their little logo, it's cute. Unwrapped. And they have a website, and it's two young gals that are both moms, and they have designed this product, and they are doing so well. I mean, I am just in awe over how good these girls are doing with their little business. So these towels and washcloths, they are made of a lightweight microfiber polyester blend, which makes them super soft and very absorbent. One of the things I like the very best is, got my cleaner here. Okay, right now I am cleaning the top of my kitchen counter, okay? And in the past, before I had these towels, I would clean all my counters and wipe them down, and then I could always see big streaks. Well, guess what? With these, no streaks. So that's one of my favorite things. So there's a lot of ways you can use these. For example, here in the kitchen, you can wash your dishes, wipe off your counters, with your towels. Okay, right now I'm going to spray my microwave, and I'm going to wipe down my microwave with my glass cleaner. And again, no streaks whatsoever. I just love these towels. And they wash up super, super good. As you know, I'm a crafter. So I have some of the washcloths in my craft room because when I'm making shakers, I always have to go around the edge of the shaker and wipe off the excess glue. And so I use my microfiber washcloths for that, and they wash, like I said, they wash up really well. Another thing I like about these two is not the washcloths, but the hand towels have a hook. So if you've got a hook in your kitchen and you want to hang this, you can do that. Or if you want to hang these in your bathroom, like in my bathroom, my hand towels, I have hooks. So guess what? I hang these in my bathroom on the hooks. So the hand towels are single-sided, a design on one side, white on the other. But the washcloths, they have the design on both sides, which is awesome. Now let me tell you how you know you're getting a good microfiber product, okay? When you hold a good one that's made good and not cheap up to the light, you cannot see through it. So go buy one at the Dollar Tree, hold it up to the light, I guarantee it, you can see through it. These are made very, very well. And can you see this waffle weave texture? That is what makes these so absorbent, okay? Now, when you get on the Unwrapped website, what you'll find is so many colorful and fun designs. I personally, I have picked some that just match my kitchen because I have a lot of black and white in my kitchen. So I showed you this one. This is a black and a beige stripe. Then I have a plain black. And who doesn't love a good cow print? And my favorite thing about Halloween is pink. So here's my pink ghosties. And of course at Christmas, you gotta have Christmas trees. So here's my one I use at Christmas. And this is another design along with this one. And of course, you've seen this one that I use a lot. And another fun thing is you can sign up if you want for their monthly subscription, and then each month you can run out to the mailbox to see what you got today. Oh, it's my favorite thing to get the mail when I'm getting good things. So I hope you like what you've seen here. I just can't rave enough about these towels and washcloths. Let me mention a couple of other things too that I just remembered. You can use them to wash or dry your car. And I have a couple of friends that are golfers, so they use these. They hang these on their golf cart for their golf towel, and they absolutely love them. I mentioned I use mine in my craft studio. And then again, in your kitchen, in your bathroom. I'm pretty sure that you could use these for anything you want. Anything that involves drying or cleaning. So I would love it if you want to try these out, and I know you'll love them. So if you want to save 10%, I will have my link below in the description box. And thanks so much for watching, and please come back and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now. This is a that's what helps.